Poor corn got flattened again. Looks like it's trying to stand up just in time for tonight's storms. We got kind of a mess here. And you know, these were the trees we kind of wanted to keep. That whole mess up there is actually the neighbor's tree that uprooted. That's awesome. And then we've lost this little gum. Who cares about that? But that's some good poplar. You see there's a snaggy mess up there. And this was a nice maple tree. And that stupid broken inside one still manages to whip around and hasn't fallen yet. It used to be leaning over this way, and for now it's leaning there. And here's a whole mess of poplar. And you know, I was making some pretty good progress in here cleaning up after the timbering. But sure as heck doesn't look like it now. That poor old poplar lost its whole top. Which I guess, yeah, that's what's laying here. I mean, I guess the good thing is, because the wind was going this way, which it doesn't normally do, it's not on too many of the neighbors' houses. Apparently one did get something, but it wasn't my tree. I feel awful if my tree smashed somebody's house. Instead, my trees are just laying in my backyard. Like this poor little cherry's all bent over. And I mean, it's well below the canopy. That was some crazy, weird wind. And the neighbor's pot plants blew over, mostly. Maybe he's got insurance for that. Looks like there's something big way back down there. And this is going to be fun cleaning this out of here, where the trees that, or what remains, is so tight together. It's just going to be hard getting the tractor maneuvering through. Oh man. So that's a big uprooted poplar. You know, we left trees around the perimeter, a buffer. But it's almost like, why? I mean, nature's taking them away. We could have gotten $100 for that tree. And then what really pisses me off, well, a lot has pissed me off. If you lost all of these good, otherwise alive, healthy looking trees, and this damn thing. This damn thing doesn't look like it's even lost a single branch. I certainly don't want to be standing at the base cutting that rot. Not even 100% sure it's our tree. It's real close to the property line, but I kind of wish it would go away. Would have rather lost it than this one. Big poplar lost a little bit that I think is right here. Overall, this side of the property fared a whole lot better. That has been broken for a long time. This is one that last time I was back here, I pushed over because it was dead. A little bit of mangling on that maple that's not mine. And there's no way to get to it, and really nobody goes back there anyway, so that's just going to be forever because the ground falls off there. So it'll be the deer's problem, not my deer, the deer. But overall, this side fared a whole lot better. And most importantly, my deer's okay. But, I mean, you can see this poor tree's got ravaged. And the house looks like that too. The windows have got leaf particles all splattered against them. So here's something that kind of really sucks. This tree was on the go list anyway, but not like this. Not like this. My trailer survived a whole lot better than the Cherokee, but I don't know if you can see that branch up there is mostly broken off. So I'm going to have to get the trailer out, see if I can pull that down before we do any work over there. Or tonight's storms may blow it down too.